Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Junia AI. So Junia AI is a tool that lets you create content, generate content using AI that is going to be SEO optimized. It has a very good AI writer. You will even get images along with your AI written content. And other than that, there are a lot more other additional features. You can even humanize your content. You can make your content plagiarism free. You can automatically do the internal and external linking for your content. You can even add various citations on your content. So there are a lot of features. I'm going to show you all of them. But Junia AI is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you're getting this lifetime deal at only $69. And as you can see, there are already 5 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the features. The content writer is powered by GPT-4. You will get ready to rank auto-generated articles, which means you do not have to waste a lot of time editing your article. It is going to give you ready-made articles. And then there are 30+ languages. You have AI document analysis. You can create your own brand voice, which means custom content tone or custom style according to your brand. And then you can use that style on your content. There is also knowledge assets. There is a very good text editor, SEO mode. You can build your own AI commands. There are 120+ AI content templates and tools. There is link sharing documents, folders and keyword research tool. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $69. The word limit for this tier is 20k, and you also have 5 blog post workflow runs per month. There is also tier 2. Here you will get some additional features such as the integrations of Medium, Reddit, Shopify, WordPress, and you also have a very good additional feature that is auto internal and external linking. There is also tier 3, and even here there are some additional features such as auto insert competitor keywords, terms in existing content, and you can also schedule your publishing. The highest tier is this tier 4. So here the word limit is massive, 200k per month. You can run 70 blog post workflows per month. You have integrations, automatic internal and external linking, auto insert keywords, and schedule publishing. So if you want to buy Junia AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Junia. So after you log in, you are going to get this dashboard. And first of all, on the left side, we have this workspace. So here you can see all of your workflows as well as the integrations that you are connected with. On the right side, you can see your limits for your account. And then we have the dashboard. So here you can take some quick actions such as you can rewrite your articles or write your articles from scratch, create your brand voice, do keyword research. And there is also the AI editor. And then Junia also has a lot of templates. There are 120+ templates. Let me show you all of them. So here are all the templates. So after the dashboard, we have on the left side these workflows. So here you will get the 2 most important features of Junia, AI article rewriter and the AI article writer. So the most interesting feature of Junia has to be this AI article writer. So let me open this and try this. Okay, so first of all, we have to provide the actual topic or the main keyword for our article. So for example, my main keyword is going to be how to stay fit in summer. And then I can also add some additional keywords that I want to rank for. And one of the best part is, as I said before, Junia already has their keyword research feature or keyword research tool. So you can even see the integration on here. So for example, I want to copy this keyword and then I want to open this keyword explorer and paste my keyword. Now let's get some idea directly from here. So as you can see, now I have got some more ideas and I can also see the competition for the particular keyword, the search volume and also the CPC. So this is how I can get some keyword ideas just by giving my main keyword on the keyword explorer. And then I have to provide the headline. So I can write it manually or I can also let the AI generate it. So let me click on this generate headlines. So as you can see, I have got some very good headline ideas. So I'm going to use this one. And then there is another section called SEO competitor analysis. So I can analyze my competitors and then I can take inspirations from their articles, or I can also provide manual articles of my competitors directly on these reference articles. So what Junia is going to do is take inspiration from those articles in order to give you the best article. So you can either add your competitors manually on here, add the links, or you can also simply just analyze. So after analysis, as you can see on the right side, we have got the result. So we can see the competitor, their article, the words, how many words they have used, their SEO score, and also keyword density. For example, I want my article to take inspiration from these first two articles. And as you can see, as soon as I selected them, these two articles have been added to these reference articles. So this is exactly how this feature is going to work. And for example, for some reason you do not want to give the reference article links on these boxes, you can also simply just paste the article of your competitors on this box. But since I already added some reference articles, I'm not going to add any text. Let's just click on next. Now I can also provide some additional instructions. For example, if I want a call to action on my article or I want something else, I can just simply be specific and provide that instruction on this box. I can also provide some background or context about the article. This is very much needed if you're writing an article on a topic that is not very well known. For example, you are writing an article about your company, and if your company is new, obviously the AI is not going to know much about that. In that case, you can provide the background or context on this box. But the best part is you can even select the context from the info base. So if I click on this, as you can see, this is the info base. You can also get this info base on the dashboard. So if you click on this plus icon, here you can add various info about certain brand or certain topics. So all you have to do is just provide the name, the category, the web URL, and the text. And once you do that, you can also upload some files, document files, and then you can simply click on this train button. So what it does is add certain information about certain topic or certain brand to this info base, and then you can use this later on an article as the background or the context. Now here's another very similar section to background or context, which is writing style, which means the tone or the style of your writing. Once again, if you're writing an article about your brand, you might want to follow a certain writing style or a certain tone. So you can describe that on this box. But once again, you can even select the brand voice from here. So this brand voice is another section that you are going to get on the dashboard of Junia. And if you click on this plus icon, now you can add your own brand voice. So first of all, provide the name, your website, sample text. You can also upload various files, and then you can analyze this brand voice in order to add it on here. And once you add it, you can just select the brand voice when you are writing an article. Now here's another great feature that you are not going to get on any other article writers, that is this auto linking. So obviously you are writing an article, right? And for ranking your article or making your article perform better, you want to add internal and external links. And if you want to add that automatically using the AI, you can also do that. All you have to do is just click on add links, and then from here you have to connect your website. So Junia is going to crawl your website in order to take inspiration from the existing links, and then it is going to auto link this article, this particular article. And then you can also choose the word count. I'm just going to keep it at 1000. And then you can choose the language for your article. There are 30 plus languages. And you can also choose the quality of the content. It could be standard or premium. And there are also some advanced settings. So if you want multiple variations of the same article, you can select that from here. You can also replace faces. You can include feature images that is going to be generated using AI. All you have to do is just select the image style from here and the image size. And then you can also include a meta title, description, or include FAQ. You can also enable auto external linking and references. So now all I want to do is just click on generate outline. Okay, so on the left side, now you can see the preview about various settings about this article. So the topic, headline, reference articles. And on this right side, you can see the actual full outline. You can also see total words. And the best part is you can even drag and drop these topics, these headlines. So for example, if I want to take this introduction to the second line, I can also do that. So this is how you can super easily drag and drop topics or the headlines. And if you click on this, you can even select particular keywords for a certain headline. So for example, on this staying active in summer, I want to see all the keywords. As you can see, here are those. You can also add more keywords for this particular headline, and you can even select the word count for this headline, for only this headline, and you can also see all the talking points on this headline. If you want more, you can just simply click on generate more. So this is how the outline is going to work, and if everything is okay, just click on generate. Okay, so the article is now generated. We have to access it on the editor. So as you can see, here is our article. We have got a featured image. Here is our main keyword or the H1, and then you can see the full article on here. So here is the full article. And the best part is, as you can see on the bottom of the page, you can even see this continue writing. So if you even want to continue further from these 2000 words, you can even do that. And there is also a ChatGPT like interface on here. So if you want to edit this article or even rewrite, you can even ask that to the AI and then send your question or query, and it is going to exactly do that. So this is an amazing feature, I have to say. And you can also access the media in order to get suggestion about image or get unsplash image. And then you can also change various settings, such as you can enable GPT-4, select your brand voice, and also select any info from the info base. So to be honest, the article is really good. I really like it. And on the top you get all the text formatting options. But the best part is there is also an SEO optimizer integrated into this editor. In order to open that, just click on this open. And as you can see, here is the SEO optimizer. So now the SEO score is showing 10. It is because we have not provided the main keyword. So let's copy our main keyword. So here is the keyword. I'm just going to copy this, and then I will open the SEO optimizer, provide my keyword, and then click on generate report. So now we have got an actual SEO score, which is 78%. We can also get details about this score. So we can also see how we can improve this score. So this is one problem. And then we also have problem with the meta description subheading. So you can see all the problems and also the problems that are not significant. So the meta title, word complexity, and you can also see where we have done well. So we did well on target keyword length, meta description, image caption, images, text length. So these are the details. We can also get all the secondary keyword suggestions, the content structure. We can also compare our structures probably with the competitors. And then we can also see the competitor terms. So if I just click on this reveal. Okay, so the competitor terms are taking some time in order to get revealed. In the meantime, we can explore the other options such as the external links. So here are the links. Okay, so we have got all the competitor terms that they have used. And you can also see how many times they have used them. You can also use them on your article in order to improve your SEO. And then we have the internal links and the prominent keywords or words. So this is everything about SEO optimizer. I'm just going to close this. But on this full editor, there are so many features. So on top, you can even see the keyword research feature. So directly from here, you can get latest keyword data from Google. Just provide your keywords, select the country, and then you can get ideas about keywords, competition, search volume, and CPC. And you can also copy this article as plain text, markdown, or HTML. And you can even directly publish your articles to sites like WordPress, Webflow, Medium. So make sure you have these integrations connected in order to directly publish from here to these websites. And you can also download these files as these formats. And here's the sharing link. So if you just open this link, you will get access to this article. And you can also move this article to a specific folder. You can rewrite it even in different language. You can also delete this document. And on the left side, you can first of all see the table of content. And there are also some features such as you can create a new document on this editor. You can open the SEO. So you can see the meta title, the description. You can generate FAQs, slug for this particular article, select the category, select the date. You can also add various images to your articles. And for generating images, there is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀 that you can use in order to generate images using AI. There is also this AI detection. So if you click on this analyze, you can see if your content is written by AI. So keep in mind, if your content is completely generated by AI, it could have an impact on its ranking on Google. So make sure the detection score is always low. You can also add various citations to your article. You can access all the templates, and obviously you can also import this article. But another cool feature on this editor is that if you select a certain sentence, for example, if I want to select this first sentence, so now as you can see there are a lot of options that have opened. I can provide any prompt on here. I can continue writing, expand it, which means make this sentence longer, humanize it. If I feel the sentence sounds much like AI, I can simply click on humanize. And other than that, I can also improve the readability. I can fix spelling and grammar, improve SEO. I can auto internal link it, generate an image based on this line, provide custom command, use simple language, paraphrase. So there are a lot of options on here. So other than the article writer workflow, there is also article rewriter, and there is also this bulk generator feature. So you can write a lot of articles at once on here. First of all, you have to provide a bulk generation name, and then you have to select the generation mode. So it could be titles, URLs, or file. So for example, you want to bulk generate articles based on URLs. So in that case, click on URL. And now you have to provide the URLs on here, and each URL is going to be separated by a new line. And if you click on titles, now you have to provide a title. So title 1 for the first article, and then title 2. So this is how you can add various titles for your articles. And then you can select some settings such as knowledge or background, writing style, auto linking. So you can adjust all these settings, and then all you have to do is just generate in order to bulk generate a lot of articles at once. And then there are templates that I already showed you. There is also this Junia chat. So it is very similar to ChatGPT. You can ask any question on this box, and then you can send this question in order to get an answer from Junia chat. You can also enable the GPT-4 on the top right side, and you can even include Google search results on the answer of AI. So for example, if you ask a question, what the AI is going to do is give you an answer, but it is also going to include Google search results, relevant results. And you can also access the prompts library. You can add your custom prompt on here. You can also see some pre-made prompts based on categories, and you can also improve a prompt once you provide one. You can upload document, and there are also various chat settings that you can change. And then we have this AI image generator. Other than AI images, we also have this image restorer. So what it does is probably make your old images or blurry or not so clear images make clear. I think that is what it does. And then we have this brand voice, which I already told you about. So you can add certain writing style or certain writing tone about your brand on here. You can also add certain information that you want to use later in order to write articles. Overall, I think Junia AI is an excellent tool that lets you create SEO optimized articles. There are a lot of features such as AI images, auto internal external linking. There is a very good AI text editor, and I think this is a complete tool for writing your articles because it literally has all the options. You can add reference articles, you can add your brand voice, you can add various info, you can add CTA, you can add a lot of things. Literally, you can do every type of customization for your content is available with Junia. So if you want to buy it from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also tier 4, that is the highest tier. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.